Hi, it's Alexi and I'm here to tell you what is the best camera wrist strap. It's the one you can make yourself, this DIY thingy. For this you need webbing, elastic band, needle and thread. And why do I think this wrist strap is the best? Well, as we all know, there's beauty in simplicity, and this strap is very simple and practical, and I think everybody should have one for ease of mind and safety. It also does not get in the way because it's very lightweight. I often use this with my gimbal and I never take these off, they're always attached. It is also very cheap to make, very easy to use. You just go in and out like that. If you give this to somebody, they instantly know how to use it because it's quite self-explanatory. So I hope you liked this short video and see you on the next one. Bye.